All right, so we're going to go to GoFundMe, and then we're going to start a GoFundMe page by clicking that. Use your email, your Facebook. Here I used my setup Gmail account that I just set up for training you guys. And then as you see, it just enters right in. Once you create the account, you're gonna pretty much create your campaign. I'm just gonna put testing here, but essentially you want to create whatever your campaign is about. Be forthright, honest, and hopefully most of you are. So for the raising money section, you're just gonna select which option it is, or it falls under, and then the categories, you're gonna select what category it would fall under. Try to get it as close as possible. Obviously, it's asking for your zip code, so you're going to put in the zip code. I'm just going to put in a generic zip code that pops up. Yeah. All right. So, once we go from here, oh, I forgot to put in the amount, so we're going to put in the amount that we're going for. So, I'm just going to default at 1,000. Obviously, you want to default or put whatever amount you think is reasonable for, or put your goal for it. Upload a picture. Usually this is like your logo for your GoFundMe page or image. And then you're just going to position it how you like it. And save and continue. So once you save and continue, you're going to get the added photo check, and you're going to be brought to tell your story. So ideally you want to be, like I said, very honest, very truthful with what you're saying, and make sure if you're not a great speller, try to use Word for your spelling or Grammarly, whichever one works for you. Just so that way you don't have like so many errors. Obviously your story will have to be a certain amount of length. Make sure it's good, and try to reach your audience that you are going to be promoting to even get the amount of money. A lot of things too that people don't do is after they make the GoFundMe, they just think that the page is supposed to sit there. And I guess if you are famous and you have the link below your YouTube or something, that may work, but for a lot of people you do have to promote your own GoFundMe page. So it is a lot of work, but if you are doing it for a good cause, then it should be worth the work. Essentially you want to promote on as much pages as possible without overwhelming people. And as you can see, the campaign is now ready. So we're just going to click next, and then after we do next, we can now add to our Facebook. So you can add your page to Facebook, add your photo to Facebook, add to your email or email your friends, post your own logo to it, and then you can share. You can also share to your friends on Messenger. So it's just going to prompt you, to all the options, and you can select go back, you can select to do it, or you can select to skip. So it's up to you, really. And a lot of this really is a matter of just reading the prompts. So, I think it's fairly simple. You just have to read. And like it says, it looks good. So we are pretty much set. Now, if you want to download the app, obviously it's prompting to download the GoFundMe app. It will send you a link that you can open up on your phone or your tablets, whatever device you have to download. Once you've done that, you are in the main page, and here is where you can go in the upper right corner and go to account settings. Here is where you can connect your Facebook and your Twitter account as well. You also want to make sure that you verify your email address. So go to Google, confirm, and that's the email to download it. At some point, it's going to ask you to verify your phone. I know I'm going quite fast here, but once you verify, it's it. It's just the prompts, and you're good to go. And that's it.